Okay, here we are. We've finished. I've finished pruning this rose of all the dead flowers. Took out some spindly stuff too, and here's the results. And it was a very painful thing, even with gloves on. It was painful. Look at those thorns. Oh my goodness me. Painful. Let's see, focus. Okay, there we go. And yeah, so also what I did is I trained it. Now with climbing roses, they always do better if they're trained along a horizontal support. And yeah, and may I say, they do not cling. You need to tie them. So I'm trying to train this bad boy along this railing here to make sure I have a nice show of flowers and that it doesn't fall all over the place. So here we've got the figure 8 method of tying, which allows the plant to move freely, you know, but it's still secure to the support. And also you need this space here, and you do this with all your whenever you do any kind of tying to a support, even your tomatoes, and just do the figure 8, because it just keeps them secure, and then also not so tight, and you don't tend to get that binding that you normally do when it's just flush against the support and tied tightly. So so here we go. This is let's see what happens here. Hopefully I'll get a nice display. So now I've finished this, I'm going to have to give it a drink because I've just given it surgery. So a nice little drink, especially since it's summertime, it's hot and dry. So, and then maybe a little bit of fertilizer, some kelp meal to get it on its way. So I hope you enjoyed this video of pruning a climbing rose. Thank you. Bye-bye.